Find the binomial expansion of 1 plus 6x to the power 2/3 up to and including the term in x squared. Find the binomial expansion of 8 plus 6x to the 2/3 up to and including the term in x squared. Use your answer from part B to find an estimate for the cube root of 100 in the form a over b, where a and b are integers. So let's have a look then at this. Okay, so part A, 1 plus 6x to the 2/3 is equal to, okay, so 1 plus nx, n is 2/3. The x in this case is 6x, plus n minus 1, minus 1/3, isn't it? That's n, and then n minus 1 is that, x squared over 2 factorial plus dot dot dot. So that equals 1 plus 3 into 6 goes twice, 2 2s are 4, and then here we've got 6 squared, so that's, cross that out and put 36. 9 4s are 36, that's a 4 then. This 2 will cancel with this 2, so we've got a minus. We've got a 4, and we've got an x squared. So there's the first one. Now part B. Okay, part B. The range of here, well, 6x must be less than 1 and greater than minus 1, mustn't it? So x must be less than 1/6 and greater than minus 1/6 for the expansion to be valid. So part B now. Okay, this 8 plus 6x to the 2/3 is equal to 8, take an 8 outside the bracket, 1 plus 6 over 8 is 3/4, so we can write that down straight away. So that's all to the 2/3. Okay, so all we did there was take out an 8 as common, so we took that out. So that would be 8 here, and then 8 times 3/4 gives us the 6, doesn't it? That's why we needed 3/4. So this is 8 to the 2/3 times 1 plus 3/4 of x to the 2/3. So that's what we've got there. So that equals, the cube root of 8 is 2, and 2 squared is 4. And it's 1 plus 3/4 x to the 2/3, which equals 4. 1 plus nx, nx, n is 2/3. X is this, 3/4 x, plus n minus 1, x squared over 2 factorial plus dot dot dot. There's the x squared term, we go up to there, don't we? Close brace, so that's equal to 4 lots of, well, 4 lots of 1 is 4. Well, I'm going to leave the 4 there for now. It's 1 plus, the 3's cancel, and then the 4 and the 2 cancels to leave a 2 underneath. And then we've got a minus. The 3 squared will cancel with the 3 squared here. The 2 will cancel with the 2. So it's minus x squared over 4 squared, which is 16. So that's equal to, expand the bracket now then, 4 plus 2x, 4 lots of this, and then minus x squared over 4, isn't it? Plus dot dot dot. And that would be valid when 3/4 of x is less than 1 or greater than minus 1. So multiply by 4/3 all the way through. Okay, that's what we've got then. So here's our answer here. So 8 plus 6x to the 2/3 is equal to 4 plus 2x minus x squared over 4 plus dot dot dot. So that's part B. Now, okay, cube root of 100. Right, let's have a look at this then. Well, part C, the cube root of 100 is equal, 100 is 10 squared, so it's 10 squared cube rooted is 10 to the 2 over 3, which is equal to 8 plus 6 times, now we want to add on 2 to 8 to get to 10, don't we? So we'll need a 12th, won't we? No, a 2, a third, sorry, a third, I'll get it right in a minute. That will give us 2, 8 plus 2 is 10, so we can write it like this. We can write this in this form. This is now 2, 8 plus 2 is 10, as we said. So we can see that we can make the correspondence now. So let x equal 1/3, which is in the range, gives, so this will then be the cube root of 100, won't it? Is equal to 1/3, so 4 plus 2/3 minus, and then a third squared is a 9th, so I'll just put it down straight away, and 9 fours are 36, plus dot dot dot, which equals 36's 4 and 2/3. That's a 4. This is 36. 24 over 36, isn't it? Minus 1 is 23 over 36 plus dot dot dot. Let's have a look at the question. To estimate the form where a and b are integers. Oh, so we need to write it as a fraction. 4 36's are 144, 164, 169, approximately equal to that. 169 over 36. My maths is not quite as good as it used to be, I suppose. It must be, because this is 144. 164. Add 3 is 167. It's a little bit of a... Right at the end there, managed to get it wrong. So, but double checking. When you go through and double check everything, it comes out and you check it's correct. 167 over 36.